before it disappeared. I was aching to be somewhere near your voice, was all I heard. I was shaking from a storm in me, haunted by the specters that we had to see. Yeah, I wanted to be the melody above the noise, above the hurt. I was young, not dumb, just wishing to be blinded by you, brand new, and we were pilgrims on our way.
Welcome back to B&B Outdoors, and today we're at a pond in Lake Mills. We're gonna shoot some duck and geese, so let's get right to it. Alright folks, we're out here cooking up some bacon. Oh man, this stuff looks delicious. Let me get a quick close-up of this bacon. Here we go folks. Oh man, that's sizzling on the grill. Can't wait to sink my jaws into this bacon. Hey guys, quick checkup. We just got to the boat and we are putting the decoys in the water, which I will show you how we did that, or how Alex did that. Once there's sunlight. Here's the spread, folks. We just fired our first shots.
Keep her simple today.
And we missed, but we've been seeing ducks, and it should be a successful day. Check back up with you guys.
First duck, baby. Blue wing teal. He had a buddy that landed in the spread with him. I said, no way. There we go. First duck of the day. Let's go, baby. Solo duck. My buddies went to go get a goose that they shot. I stayed back, not even calling. Blue and teal. Two of them landed in the spread. Missed one. Little low on one. This one, casualty shot. He went out without a doubt. Okay. All right, guys, made it back to the boat with the duck. Oh, that was a great first duck. Hey guys, just had to set you down because a goose flew into the spread. And I only had one in the chamber because I just shot a blue wing teal. So, yeah. All right, I'll check up with you if we get some more birds or if they come back with their goose. Honestly, it's about 200 yards away, so they got to hike through a swamp. I've got this boat all to myself, and I'm gonna kill some more birds. Let's get it, baby. All right, boys, we finally finished up hunting. I got one teal, and now I'm gonna go to my house and clean it, or John's house. We'll figure it out, but I'm gonna clean it and eat it, because it's good. Here's the teal, folks. Delish. I'll come back for the taste test.
Rick, you
Here we
coming?
go for
Rick, you getting
folks.
over here?
Got our teal on our appetizer table for the Packer game.
Smells wonderful.
Tastes pretty good.
Oh, look at
Pretty
Let's
good.
see, Braden. Look at that succulent piece of duck. That is some fabulous looking duck. Look at this. Watch this. Brady Ramsey?
Yep,
That's the best.
you know it. All right.
Let's have at it. You got a couple more of those? You cook some more up?
No,
Next
that's
week?
it. Next weekend. For some more duck hunting. See you next time.
This is delicious.
On the
No,
next
let's
episode.
record it all. Bennett, get over here. B&B. Bennett's coming.
All right, Bennett. The other B of the B is tasting duck.
I can picture the duck.
all around, folks.
Bennett, get over here for B&B Outdoors. And here's
All
Bennett.
right, folks.
Little B,
Evan Bennett.
come on, eat your wild
Here's the
duck.
toothpick,
Your
Bennett.
brother cooked it really
There you
good.
go. It is good.
Give a smile to the camera. You're
Tastes
being
like
recorded.
steak.
Yum.
What's the reviews on that duck?
Tastes pretty much like steak.
All right, here you go.
Say
Here's
quack.
here's round 2.
No, I'm fine.
Come on. Right in front of you. Here, right here.
Mike.
You don't want it? Okay.
I'll take it.
Okay, Brady's got it. Big B.
What do you think, Ben? It tastes like
Oh,
steak,
yeah.
right?
That was great, folks. Devoured it. And that,
Let me know the next one. You got a next round.
that's it for this week, folks. And yeah, see you next week on the next episode of B&B Outdoors. Maybe some more duck hunting, maybe some fishing. See you next week. Peace.